From Mother Nature's bounty to unique MLM home business bounty with Mother Lode Marketing. Without doubt, stinging nettles are a bounty of health benefits, found growing in damp places in fertile soil, absorbing all the stored winter nutrients. For over 2,000 years, doctors have recognized this herb's nutritional value. Stops bleeding, stimulates digestion, purifies blood, cures skin irritations, heals burns and more. Without doubt, one unique resource offers a bounty of home business benefits, fertile information-rich ground for better preparation to understand the huge trends in the digital economy. How to harvest a digital mother lode in the modern-day gold rush. Find straightforward answers to reduce the complexity and common objections, like disease symptoms. Why changes are already happening outside the halls of power. Page 7. Why you may refuse a company's website but cannot refute future economy. Page 28. Simply put, our digital age has given the marketplace filled with democratic voices, and I will not be voided. Check out this unique, generic bounty for home business information. Imagine what a satisfying, successful home business can mean for you and your family. I look forward to your sharing our stories about health and so much more. Biography is not your destiny. It is not our conditions, but in your moments of decision that your destiny is shaped. Tony Robbins.